Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 38 of building Batmobile's Tumbler. In this issue, we've got another motor, which we're going to connect up to one of those sockets that we haven't used yet. But not before we look at these. Not one, but four. Obviously, talking about, I would assume, I've not read the words. You can feel free to pause and read the words if you like. They probably had four versions of it for filming and, close work and stunt work and things like that. New Robin. Robin got changed a few times throughout the course of Batman's history. There we go. That's that. Feel free to read all of those. So yes, we've got a motor, which funnily enough, we're going to connect up. I don't know why we need so many pictures saying plug it into the thing that's the same number as the thing that's the thing. But there we go. And next time, guess what? We're going to be doing probably the same again onto the other one that we haven't got plugged in. But then, after we've done that, it's the interesting one. So stick around for that. I shall see you after we've plugged this together. Yes, here we have it. The part supplied in this issue is another motor. I didn't look at what this is. It's a vertical motor, I think, for one of these. This has 34 written on it, which I believe, yep, is the one of these that's not got anything plugged into it. 34. That in there. Give it the right way round. Come on. There we have it. So that's a motor, and two switches for whatever it is that's going to be plugged into. So, yeah, I like it. It's getting very electrical. I'm liking it quite a lot. It's a different way of building this one. Instead of most of these part works, you sort of build up an area and then you'll get the light for that, and then you build up around that. This seems to be like building the guts of the electrics separately, and then obviously we'll be installing that into the body as we go, which is a way of doing it. It's nothing wrong with that. I'm quite happy to do that. Nice to get it all done and then test it out soon as well. So I shall see you for that in a couple of times. Next time though, we're going to be fitting another motor just like that. So feel free to skip next time, unless of course you want to have a look through the magazine anyway. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.
Yeah.